She wants to come down from the bed. She wants to come down. She wants to come down. Yay! Congratulations! Superhero! Wendy is the new superhero! Run for my baby! Oh, Bungally shop! Wendy! We are running late. Please, I'm begging you. Come, let's go. Let's go. Come. Come, baby, come. This girl don't pass me power. I'm not gonna lie. Wendy! Yes. Come. There's a way this whole thing is doing me. All of a sudden, I keep forgetting to bring out my phone to vlog. I've been feeling like I don't feel like sharing anything again. You know, until what? I don't know. But how long is this gonna be? Like, for how long is this gonna last? I'm just gonna do my thing, man. Anybody that is not cool with what you're seeing on my channel, there are millions and one channels out there offering what you probably would like. Go there, okay? After all, this is not even an educational channel. This is me sharing what I want. So if you're not cool with this, leave me alone, okay? So today we are going for immunization. The time is far gone. I doubt if I'm going to meet up with time. Someone is supposed to take me there, a Ghanaian friend of mine who also have a baby. He said the place is at American House. It's quite far from here, but I have to go. Let me go and see if they will turn us down or accept the 9-month dose. I'll take you guys with me if I can. We're supposed to go for immunization. I don't know how close this is. Down. Oh my god. Hey guys, we're supposed to go for immunization. I got to the road and they said it's not today, it's tomorrow. My Ghanaian friend said I should come tomorrow, so I turned back. And then I decided to just go pick up these bags that were sent to me from a friend of mine. In fact, who made my relocation to Ghana possible. She sent these bags. She wanted to bring them to my place, but no, you guys, hold on. She wanted to bring them to my place herself, but she couldn't. She dropped them somewhere, so I went there to pick them up. Thank you. I've already seen them, but I want to unbox them in front of you to see, so that when you see me with nice bags, you know, say Lily have hammered to gift. Starting out with this one. She's this kind of person that have high taste for things, high taste for fashion. This is it. I love it. Let me show you guys the second bag. This one here. And the beautiful thing about these bags is that the insides are still really neat. Really neat. So this is the second bag. This one, I cannot wait to start using it with Wendy. This is the third bag. This one is for me. I can't wait for my baby to be big. So when I go out alone without her, I'll be carrying this one. Look at it. I forgot some things inside. But I'm going to call her and prank her. You guys know the prank. I want to prank. Okay, I bought this it's my bathing soap. I bought it at Medina. And then this one is also a very big one you can use with the baby. So that's it. I'm going to call her and tell her that she left some money inside the bag, so maybe I should send it back to her or something. So this is her number. I'm going to tell her that I picked some money in the bag. Should I send it to her via mobile money or I should take it? Vanessa, how far now? You dey sleep? You no go shop? Okay. Yeah, I don't go collect those bags when you send for me. Thank you very much. I love them. Thank. I see money inside too. Now you put them. Now one note, 100 CD. Na mistake, abi? Make I send them back to you, abi make I take them.
Send them for me, oh.
Oh God, now prank, oh, you go see yourself for YouTube. How you disgrace yourself, your ancestors. Make I send them for you. Money no loss for you, Vanessa. You say money loss. And those people are money. God, oh, thank you. Now prank. Which kind of for? If you forget, man, I will call you. If I hear, I will just keep quiet. All right now. She's fine. She's here. Bye. So guys, that's it. I didn't be this morning now. This girl will ask me to send it back to her. Me. She knows me better. She's the younger sister to my friend who lives in Nigeria. She has been playing it very oh. Dinner is served. So this is what I'm having tonight. This is amala. This is ewedu stew. This is cow feet and chicken. So cow feet. So this is what I'm having tonight. Oh, okay. Ignore that. That is Wendy's section of the kitchen. All right, guys, come join me. Come. Okay. Yep. So I'm having this for dinner. I hope it's worth the price. This thing here is 15 cedis, and I got banku 2 cedis. I'm gonna eat them together and see how good it can taste. Let me put it in my own plate. dinner time. Once in a while, I treat myself. To some of the things I enjoy eating here. Like once in a while. Wendy, you don't start, you don't sleep. Yeah, Kokuma no get strength. I go shout for you. So, and I'm going to be pairing it with this. This is Banco. I beg, Ghana, they have a lot of foods here that I really like. Hold on, I'm filming with one hand. Let me put the food in the bowl. I'll show it to you. So I just remove the Banco and place it together. And this is the finished look. It looks so good, right? I hope it's worth it. I hope it's worth it. I've been craving for this for a very long time. So I decided not to do lunch. I decided not to eat during the afternoon. So I could get this for myself. You are invited. Yum, yum, yum. Wendy is playing with my food. Wendy. Baby. You're playing with my food. Oh, Mugbe. Oh yeah, give me.